Gavana mar kaunti ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga onyiso riwruok makwedo piny owacho mondo owekeyo weche maonge adiera kata matin ewi singo mana jatend piny oketo ne jopiny kendo rwakogi e kaunti ma Homa Bay mar mondo gidhi gine chenro mag dongruok ma bende osetieki gi e kindeni.
See many people who have not really come to the ground saying the president is making promises that are not being fulfilled. I want to ask those people to come to Homa Bay and see that on 27th of December, the president was here in this very field and he said that this stadium was going to be completed with all these terraces and everything. Today we are here. We are not in space. This is not AI. This is that today, 15th of May, barely 5 months after that promise, this stadium has been delivered. When we were here with the president in January 2023, he looked and saw what the women were going through in the markets. Today when he comes back here, he will be opening an ultra-modern fish market for the women of Homa Bay. And he said, we are going to have a pier here that is modern. Barely a year and a half later, that pier is standing there. Those affordable houses are there. Those ESP markets are across.